Let's quickly learn about single member annotations. Single member annotations contain only one member. It's just like a normal annotation, but with the added feature of specifying the value in the shorthand form. That is, without having to specify the name of the member, you can just pass in the value for the member. Don't worry, I'll demonstrate this. In our example, we have our annotation with just one member. So by looking at it, it's a single member annotation, but something is missing. Generally, in our previous lessons, when passing in values for members of an annotation, we specify the name of the member and then the value. So just like in this example. However, the true beauty of a single member annotation is being able to pass in the value without having to specify the name. If we try it out, we get an error. Why? We see a prompt, cannot find method value. So, to use this shorthand, you should have only one member in the annotation. So we have that right. But the second thing is that the name of that member must be value. So Java is telling us that it can't find such, and so our shorthand isn't valid. To correct this, we set the name of our member to be value, and then we can now use the shorthand nicely. It's possible to still use this shorthand if the annotation has other members. The only thing is that the other members must have default values, and the member without default value must have a name called value. Aside from that, when you have a single member annotation, it should have just one member, and the name of the member should be value. That will help you to be able to apply this shorthand of not having to specify the name of the member.